Hey everyone, Jake here. At 10X, we're not just about selling abrasives, we're about ensuring your success. That's why we offer a range of service and training packages designed to help you unlock the full potential of our products. So let's dive in. Package 1, Ignite, one remote consultation. Want to unlock the full potential of your blasting operation? Our virtual consultation package is the perfect starting point. You'll get a full 90 minutes with a 10x factory trained engineer giving you customized guidance tailored specifically to your application and equipment. We'll provide you with all our Tier 1 resources, a handy data collection template to track your progress, and expert advice on optimizing every aspect of your blasting process. It's like having a 10x expert right there with you, helping you achieve maximum efficiency and top-notch results. Package 2, Accelerate, 2 virtual sessions. If you're looking to really dial in your blasting process, our Accelerate package gives you direct access to a 10x factory-trained engineer for 2 in-depth 90-minute virtual sessions. We'll start by digging deep into your current operation, identifying bottlenecks and pinpointing areas for improvement. Then, after you've had a chance to implement our initial recommendations, we'll schedule a follow-up within a few weeks where we'll review your production data, address any remaining challenges, and fine-tune your optimization strategies to ensure you're achieving peak performance with 10x abrasives. It's all about getting you the results you deserve. Package 3, Launch, 4 virtual sessions. Next up, our 4-week consultation package is designed to set you up for success right from the start. You'll get 4 weekly 90-minute virtual sessions with a 10x expert, focused on reviewing your KPI data collection sheets, analyzing your blast quality, and quickly addressing any deficiencies that pop up. We'll be there every step of the way to ensure you're hitting your targets and maximizing your return on investment. It's the ultimate way to guarantee a smooth launch and a profitable future with 10x. Package 4, Pro, on-site training. For customers seeking a more comprehensive implementation, we offer an on-site startup assistance package. This includes 5 virtual sessions, one scheduled before our visit to discuss your specific needs and goals, and 4 follow-up sessions to ensure continued progress. In addition, a 10x expert will spend a full day, up to 10 hours, at your facility providing hands-on support. This covers in-depth training for your staff, assistance with implementing cost and quality measurement systems, and practical guidance on optimizing your blasting process. This package is currently available in the contiguous United States. For customers in Alaska or Hawaii, please reach out to us directly for pricing and availability. Our goal is to provide the support you need for a successful and efficient transition to 10x abrasives. Free support resources. But that's not all. We also offer a wealth of free support resources. Our website features a comprehensive video library with how-to guides and best practices, as well as a content library with detailed technical information. And of course, our expert team is always just a phone call away if you need personalized advice. So, whether you're looking for in-depth training, equipment optimization, or just a quick question answered, 10x has the support you need to succeed. Visit our website today to explore our service packages and discover how we can help you maximize your blasting performance. We're committed to your success.